It is giving curly. It is giving a body idea.
Alrighty guys, let's get into this hair install. The hair is from Ali Grace and all information will be in the description below, baby. This hair is giving bouncy, it's giving fluffy, it's giving thick, it's giving curly, it is giving human hair. It's like inches, it's like at gal, period. Yeah, you.
Morning guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today I will be reviewing a wig from Ali Grace. And this wig is, let me tell you, baby, it's given everything that it is supposed to give. So this is the packaging, guys. Ali Grace. It says show your beauty with Ali Grace. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys what is inside of the bag, cause all right. So in the bag I got a set of wig caps, and I got I think this is a 5% discount code coupon thing. It's basically telling you guys about the product and how to treat the hair and etc, etc. So this is how to care the hair, etc, etc.
Oh Jesus.
So this is the wig, guys, and it is a, I believe it is a 20.
Come inside. I'm
26. Yeah, it is a 26-inch curly hair, and we're going to get it installed today. But y'all know that I have to show you guys what it is giving first, cause yeah. So remember to mess with Ali Grace here, guys. This is what the wig is giving. I'm doing something, give me a minute. This is what the wig is giving. It is giving curly. It is giving curly. It is giving a body. It's giving curly. It's giving body. It's giving thick. It's giving me. Anyways, guys, so this is the inside of the wig. Let me take this off to show you guys what the inside looks like. Remember, this wig is from Ali Grace. Okie dokie. So this is the lace. This is the lace. Isn't bad at all. Have space, can do any style whatsoever. It comes with a band, so you can do it and that's basically what it is. So what would it feel? So come with me as I go to install this wig.
This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. This love the way that you want, make tell me with this all thing come. I never tried it, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna watch it every day. I'm gonna get a one making you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no.
Of life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl.
This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. This love the way that you want, make tell me with this all thing come. I never tried it, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna watch make me dead, yeah. I'm a girl, I want make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no, no. This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me, lah. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. You got the way that you want, make tell me with this all thing come become. I never tried it, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, no, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna ask make me dead, yeah. I'm gonna get I want make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no, no.